This is my take on engagement chicken. We're going to start our roasting pan with a couple of large onions, leave the root end attached and cut them into large wedges. We're going to roast 2 large bulbs or whole heads of garlic, cut the ends off to expose them. Olive oil, salt, and pepper goes all over everybody that's playing in the park here. And I have 2 whole lemons halved that will roast. For the chicken, anytime you make a roast chicken, salt it the day before and leave it exposed to the air in the fridge. We're going to take 2 small lemons and prick them with the tines of a fork all over. We're gonna put these in the cavity of the chicken, so the lemon juice is literally bathing the chicken the entire time it's roasting. Now we're going to pour the juice inside the chicken and all over the outside of the chicken. So you're literally bathing it in half a cup of lemon juice, okay? Then we're going to take the 2 small lemons, pop them into the cavity along with your herbs, pull your legs together, and use the rubber band to secure them. Then we're going to pour olive oil over the top of the chicken. It's already been salted. We'll add some black pepper and throw this in the oven. You're going to cook it at 400 degrees until it's crispy and evenly golden brown. When we come back, we'll make our sauce right after this. So, when you take your whole roast chicken out of the oven, let it rest before you carve the bird. As with any protein, you let the juices redistribute back into the meat. Otherwise, if you slice the bird without letting it rest, all the juice runs out. I took the onions and the roasted lemons, and you just use those to garnish your plate and line where you're going to nest the sliced bird when you're done. You take the pan and add a little chicken stock to it to loosen up those pan drippings. I took the 2 bulbs of roasted garlic and mushed it with my knife to make paste. Add your roasted garlic paste to your stock and the drippings. So then we're gonna add our white wine to the pan. I'm just gonna sprinkle in a little superfine flour. And that's it. You make a nice little white wine roasted garlic gravy. I'm gonna carve the bird, and when we come back, we'll dress it with our gravy and serve it. So you remove the breasts entirely and slice them. And then I nest them in between the roasted onions and the roast halved lemons. We put this out with our shallot green beans. That recipe's online. Green beans with shallots and butter and chicken stock, basically. And then you sprinkle the top with a little parsley. And I'm already married, and I still like this. And if you want to get engaged, I don't know, give it a shot.